In today's video, I want to talk about Palantir because a few days ago, I picked up some Palantir and made a video about it along with Unity software stock. Over the last 5 days, Palantir dropped almost 20%. Of course, I have options, so my option is getting crushed right now, but I got a leap option, so I have a good amount of time for it to recover. But in today's video, I want to go over Palantir, talk about some bad news as well as some positive news. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Kim. I make video about high growth stocks and other investing strategies. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful, and make sure you turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my future video uploads. I also left some links below for some free stocks. With Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get up to 2 free stocks with Webull. And let's go ahead and get started this video. Okay, let's get the bad news out of the way, because today more insider selling happened. Over $18.5 million worth of Palantir stock were sold today, and that is because of the executive. The lockup period expired, so all these top executive inside of Palantir, started to sell their shares. I mentioned this in my other previous video. Go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. Okay, so back to Palantir. Over the last 7 days, since Friday, February 19, at the time of this recording, today is February 26 on a Friday evening. If you take a look, the last 7 days, the stock dropped almost 18%. But yeah, the main reason is because of the current market correction that's happening right now. I know most of you guys are suffering, so am I, but it's okay. We're buying the dip. I bought some Palantir last week, but I'm planning to buy some more next week. Let me explain to you why I'm buying more. 2 reasons. First of all, ARK Invest just bought a ton of Palantir. When I say they bought a ton, I'm talking about millions and millions of shares. Today, ARK Invest, your girl Kathy Wood, bought over almost 3.4 million shares of Palantir. And at $23.90, that's a lot of money. I'll put the math here, how much they bought in as far as Palantir stock. But yeah, if ARK is buying, we're buying. All right. Second reason is because I've been keeping an eye on Palantir and looking at the chart here. Around this time, I see this is one of the support for Palantir around December 3rd or so. That's around $23, and then Palantir went up, and then went back down. Here's another support at around $23.83, and right here there's another one around $25. But really, I want to take a look at today, because today Palantir ended today at $23.90. After hours, it actually went up about 2.76%. So after hours on Friday, right now is at $24.56. But here's another support at $23.90, right? That's the current Palantir stock price. So you can see it hit the support a couple times, actually 3, almost 4 times. And when I see this, I feel like it could bounce off this support line and it could take off from here. But then again, the market sell-off is happening right now. So if you're planning to get into Palantir, I recommend waiting a few more days. Just keep an eye out on Palantir. See if it goes under this support line of around $23 a share. Or if it bounces off, maybe if it start picking up, maybe when it hit 25, 26. I think that's a great time to get back when it starts to trend up. Oh, I also want to add this because since I last made video about Palantir, they actually picked up another contract with 3M. This is a news article on Bazinga, came out on February 24th. That's a Wednesday, just a few days ago. Palantir joins forces with M3. Along their Q4 earnings, Palantir Technologies revealed a multi-million-dollar expansion of its collaboration with no other than conglomerate 3M. 3M will be expanding its use of Palantir's Foundry platform during its undergoing digital transformation to build a dynamic supply chain and be able to respond nimbly to changes in demand across the tens and thousands of products. Although it also serves commercial customers, they make up less than half of the business, and the segment isn't growing as fast as the government segment. In the first earnings released after its IPO, 56% of its third quarter revenues came from the government segment. In the fourth quarter, the government segment was up 85% year over year, as it generated about 190 million in revenues, whereas its commercial segment went up only 4% year over year, as the revenue amounted around 132 million dollars. So as you can see, they have a ton more businesses from the government than the commercial side. Clearly, by looking at this report and from their earnings, I'm still very bullish in this company. I'm planning to buy more on Monday if I see this stock trending up. Because right now it's around $24 or so. It's quite a big drop since I last bought it, but I'm not too worried since I bought Palantir for the long run. But my question for you guys is, currently, do you have any Palantir shares, or do you hold any options? If so, what is your average price with Palantir? Comment down below, I would like to know. So I'm just curious, guys, because the market has been going down lately. I've been buying the dip and it keeps dipping. There's so much dip, I ran out of chips. So yeah, how do you guys deal with this market downturn? Me personally, I just take a nap. After I take a nap, I feel much better. What about you guys? Anyways, I do have Discord server now. It is up and running. I have some free channels, so if you're interested in joining my Discord server, link in the first comment down below. I'll see you guys over there. Other than that, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.